If you need to easily access, use, and share common CAD data, then the CAD libraries included in SOLIDWORKS Premium will help you streamline your designs. The Toolbox is a huge library of hardware components that you can easily insert into your assemblies. It contains over 1 million components. That's right, I said million. You can access bolts, screws, nuts, washers, and more in a wide range of standards like ANSI and ISO, among others. This is especially useful when working in large assemblies. The time savings can really add up. It's easy to use. Drop the fastener you want right from the library in SOLIDWORKS and choose your configuration. And yes, Smart Mates are already built in. That means you can drag the desired component from the library in SOLIDWORKS right to where you need it in the assembly, and SOLIDWORKS will automatically pick the right size and add the required mates. You can customize the Toolbox components to include your part numbers and add any new sizes you may need. This is great for creating and following company standards. I highly recommend using Toolbox because instead of spending countless hours creating your own fasteners, you can access a library full of pre-made, pre-configured components for your assemblies.